Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. I am here to share a recipe with you guys. I am going to make cauliflower casserole and I'm going to show you guys the ingredients. So first I want to show you guys my hot turkey wings instead of hot chicken wings. So this is what I made. This is hot turkey wings. I seasoned it real good and I put butter and hot sauce. So this is my keto day 16. Yeah, day 16. And I'm getting ready to prepare my keto cauliflower casserole. Y'all, this is my coffee. I have your regular coffee, 2 stevia and half and half, and I also added MCT oil to it, so you have to mix it up really well. Y'all, I tell you, I had some of this morning and it gave me a lot of energy and it curbed my appetite. It will curb your appetite and you will feel some type of thermal heat coming from your body. It is this MCT oil. And if you're low on energy, please try this MCT oil. It does the trick. So I'm going to share with you all what I've gotten. I've gotten 3 heads of cauliflower. I did get the organic, but I had to put that back. That was like $4 a head. $4 a head, so this was $1 and some change. So I got 3 of the cauliflower. I've gotten Parmesan, shredded cheese, onion, and onion. And I'm going to use this ranch powder seasoning into my casserole. And I have some cheeses here. Sharp cheddar cheese. And I also have some mozzarella cheese, which I am going to grate. And then I have sour cream and bacon. And I'm also going to have asparagus with my dinner also. And I will this time be sure to cut the bottom off. They said it'll cook faster. Last time I didn't and it was pretty tough, but it was good. I'm beginning to like asparagus. And I also have my avocados. I have 2. So I'm going to eat 1 when I get done with my preparing my meal. So let me go ahead and cut up my cauliflower and cook them a little bit. And I will be right back with you guys. I'm just trying to save time here. So let me just go ahead and cut these up right quick in my onions. And I will be right back with you guys. Okay, y'all. I am going to steam my cauliflower. And what I have is my strainer here and boiling water in this pot. So I'm going to go ahead and add my cauliflower here. I just rinsed them. This is really my first time steaming anything. So I'm also going to cover this up. With the lid. And I probably will steam this for about maybe 15 minutes. It all depends. Okay? So let me go ahead and cut up my asparagus. stay tuned. I'll go ahead and rinse them. It's easier for me to break them. You'll know where to snap them at, because once you snap them, it'll automatically, snap off this end here.
It was that inside.
Cauliflower. I'm going to sprinkle it with salt and pepper and olive oil. A little olive oil. The salt, garlic salt, and minced onions. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the oven. Okay, you guys, I am back. My cauliflower has steamed to the texture that I wanted. Okay, this is what it's looking like. Okay, you guys, this is my cauliflower. Next, I am going to add butter. I'm going to use this whole container since it's almost empty. Then I am going to add some onions, green onions, bacon, cooked bacon. Then I'm going to put in my mozzarella cheese. Let me go ahead and whip it up. Excuse the cauliflower popping out, but I want to try to get this as smooth, like maybe like mashed potato consistency. So this pretty much gonna be looking like, you know, mashed potatoes. some sour cream. You can add cream cheese to this too. Next, I am going to add some ranch powder mix. This is what's going to make the taste really pop. Oops. I added half of the bag. Okay, I'm going to add a little salt, pepper, and I am going to add garlic. Yeah, this smells so good. Looks like mashed potatoes. Looks just like mashed potatoes. And you can eat it like this. I'm going to go ahead and add Parmesan cheese to it. Yeah, and it tastes just like mashed potatoes too. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add cheese on top. Going to sprinkle on some more Parmesan cheese. And I will put it in the oven for about maybe 20 minutes. We will see. So you guys stay tuned for the final results. Okay, y'all. My cauliflower casserole is finished. Look how it turned out. And my asparagus is finished. I tried one and it is so good that I broke the ends off. It's really good. And my hot turkey wings. Let me fix my plate. And I will be right back with you guys. Okay, you guys, here is my plate. Look how good that cauliflower casserole looks. And it really tastes like mashed potatoes. Look at my turkey wing. And the asparagus. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Let me try it. Excuse my smacking. This is so good. Y'all should try it. And it'll even be better tomorrow because the seasoning meat done set in. Oh my goodness. I tell y'all, y'all will like this. But y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this up before I go to choir rehearsal. It is almost 7 o'clock and it'll be like maybe 9:30 by the time I get home, and I don't want to eat late and go to bed. So I'm going to go ahead and eat now, which is almost 6:30, and head out and not eat no more after this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for enjoying my keto recipes. This is day 16 for me. And thank y'all so much for the encouragements, the tips. Thank you, and I hope I inspire you all to try it. And like always, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you will not miss any of my videos. Please like, share, and comment, and thumbs up this video. And tell everybody about your girl, Happy Dimples 39. Thank you so much again. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.